Hello student, welcome to Nada International School Visual Learning classes. Today we will learn a basic or special kind of math called geometry. It is studying things of lines, shape, angle, distance and things like that. In this video we are gonna focus on the most basic element or parts of geometry: point, lines, line segment and array, and the relationship between two lines like intersecting line and parallel line. Let's start. We start in point. What is the meaning of point? Point, it's mean a tiny dot in a space. And this point. All of these are point. Tiny dot in a space, but it do really important job in geometry. It help describe location. Okay, dot can describe the end of the line or corner in a square, okay, or center of circle. Point can describe a location. Help to describe a location. Okay, now second one, line. What is the meaning of line? It means a straight line with two arrows. Okay, it can continue in a both direction. I can draw like this. It's not stop. All of these lines, a straight line with two arrows, okay, and continue in a both direction. Now, third one, line segment. It's a straight, but with two end point. It's a part of line. Look, I have a line here. I can put 2 points. This one is a line segment, part from the line with 2 end point. Okay, here where we begins and here where we stop. 2 end point. This is a line segment. Okay, again, point, it's a tiny dot, help to describe a location. Line, it's a straight and continue in both direction. Line segment, part from the line, okay, and has 2 end point. Arrays, like this one. Part of the line, again, part of a line. I have a line here. I can put point. This is array. It has 1 end point and it continue in one direction without end. Continue in one direction without end. Okay? Line, continue in both 2 directions. Arrays continue in one direction. Line segment has 2 end point. Here, point, tiny dot, exact position or location. Line, that is endless in both direction. What is the meaning of endless? It's mean continue in both direction. Line segment, part from the line, it has 2 end point. Array, part from of a line, that has end point and continue in one direction. Now, relationship between 2 lines. If I draw lines like this, and the other one like this. It cross at one point. If two lines cross at one point, it intersecting line. It means intersecting line. That means I have two lines cross at one point. Now, if I have two lines never cross, if the line can continue forever. If I continue straight line like this, never cross. It means parallel line. Parallel line. What is the meaning of intersecting line? It means two lines cross at one point. Parallel line, it means two lines never cross. Never cross. Let's start to answer page 443. Start from question 1 to question 30. Write the name for each. What is it? A tiny dot, it's mean point. Number 2, what is it? Straight line with two end point. One, first one where we begins and the second one where we stop. It's line segment. Number 3, straight line with one end point and continue in one direction. Only one direction is array. Number 4, I have two lines cross at one point. What is the name of this relationship between two lines? Intersecting. Good job. Question 6. I have a straight line with two end point. Line segment. I have, in question 7, I have two lines never cross. If I continue, the two lines never cross. What is it? Parallel line. Good job. Question 8, a straight line with two arrows. Okay, continue in both direction. It's mean line. Question 9, one end point and continue in one direction. It's array. Now, think about what the line at the right, this one, two lines, will look like when they are continued. Are their line parallel or intersecting? We need to continue in a straight like this. Cross at one point. That's mean parallel or intersecting? Intersecting. Because parallel never cross like this 2L. Remember, parallel has 2L, never cross. Okay? Now, use the map, tell if the two street names appear to be parallel or intersecting. Ulm and Maple. Look to this map. Ulm and Maple. This one. Here, Maple, like this pencil, and Ulm like this one. Parallel or intersecting? Yes, never cross, it's mean parallel. You can write here, parallel. Okay. Maple and Grove. Maple here. Sorry. Maple here and Grove here. cross in one point, it's mean intersecting. I hope to understood this lesson. If you have any question, contact us, and thanks for watching it.